pi ka jing som ka bla bun sin kim la ya ni la serbe na dong sodong de ban ong ban revisit kamla su ban lo ngin hap an ya sek ma bat kan ni ka bangi le ngong pi tam ba pin su thu ni le na ka bentak ni ka pateng ka ban wan lem kum ta ngong pi ngila ban nang du su su la syai klim asam ubu ki pulit asam hang khandu shani rumpoi satu rumpoi tenai mentah ngong pi da ka bangi ya da ka ne ka lenti ngong ya pi ngila ya syai kedar ba kitu ki area ki ba ngim ju yo mentang yo ba kitu ki ba ki balong be ka possession ka ba ya sya asam ngong pi ka bom don ka bom reflect ai hapo jom kanika report ka bangi pha how ajar kadwei ya katu ngong pi ngi klem ni kata namar bele yu katu ka de ka final list ka bala pha ha ka por jom u doktor mokul sama ha to por house them areja kadwei. We wanted to again take up the second phase. We wanted to take up the second phase, and quite a number of traditional heads. They met me also recently. Block 1, Block 2, and then like Psiar, Khanduli. They keep coming, requesting the government, please start your joint inspection, these remaining areas, because enough is enough. They themselves express is that enough is enough. We wanted to be clear now. Where is Meghalaya and where is Assam? I can't say anything because ultimately the decision lies with both the chief ministers, Assam and Meghalaya. Whenever they say, yes, let us start taking up the second phase of the remaining areas of differences, then we will start. We day but katuk report. Ngong pi hakatu kapor balong CM u Dr. Mukul Sama nakaliang jo state government kila ale lut di detail proper but ki identify badon tangkat artli ki area of differences kejaka kabadon ke kendrum kerap te namar ba nakaliang Assam upan ki kita ki area kiba pi don kata kaban ong ba kadon kejing kini put kini sa hab kadu nakaliang jo sarkar ka submit awa ajar kadwei ya kata ka list baro kabadon khat artli ki area depi hakapor bengi shimti bengi min shamsnet ban ya keren ya kini subject ru nakaliang u chief minister Assam ba chief minister jong bekala ka bengi pendek kelom tongin chim ban in base bay ya kani ki document ban nakaliang jong ka government of Meghalaya kala pha wajar kadwei bat ba ngin ya chakram ngin ya chakma ndakam tabat penbek ya upur usam hakin neki khat atli ki jaka kade kata kaba ngiru ni base kaba ngiru ni ship kumo ompi namar ba yakane lapha da government habong government kabut ulong mukul ulong menunu tambal lapha nakal yang jong ke jelang ni te ngiru stick yakane bat ngau ngapi nginam randin hadu ba ka survey of India kan ban le ke demarcation properly kabang idot kapan si du pilar ngin si du pilar kalau radon lepakan natural boundary ngin declare bahkan ni ke boundary jong ka Assam bat ke Meghalaya kenang ba pateng hadin abut kam don su ujing yakin sok snong kam tam hakitu ki area ki badon kata ka jing phe jingmut lading badon kata ka dispute hap deng kini ki afili ki celah